channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how long does Cash App take to refund a pending transaction. So guys, refund timing depends on the reason for the refund and how original payment was made. So Cash App, if you are made the payment through the Cash App, so it's immediately within a minutes. Refund to your Cash App balance are usually instant or within a few minutes. If it is done with the debit card, so refund to the cashback through typically take 1 to 3 days, three business days. If you are done with the credit card, so it's take refund to credit card usually take 3 to 7 days. Refund is with bank account, so refund to the linked bank account typically take 3 to 5 days. And if the other reason of the cancellation, so if the payment was cancelled or declined, it may be take up to 7 days. Okay, and guys, if we are talking about what affect the refund time, so your bank, your payment method, your timing, and your verification, and the third party's merchant or the seller may take time to refund. Okay, so what to do while you wait? So first of all, check your activities. Go to your activity tab to make sure the refund was issued. Then contact the merchant or the sender, confirm the proceed the refund on their end. Wait and monitor. Allow the time above based on your refund type and monitor your account. Still not received? Contact the Cash App support if the refund is taking longer than the accepted time frame. Extra tip: refund always go back to the original payment method. You got the notification or the email when a refund is issued. Keep your app up to date for the latest status. So these are the things that you can try. And guys, thank you and have a nice day. And guys, subscribe.